Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing my own hair and I'll be showing you guys the technique I use in doing my knotless braids. And as you can see right now, I'm combing my hair. It's all natural. There is no heat. Due to the fact that the hair jam that I use, you don't need heat on your hair in order to slick it down. So right now I'm just parting my hair. I'm parting it into two equal parts, and I'll be using the Knit Braid Shining Jam. And I'm just going to apply it to the part all the way down. And for this hairstyle, I'm using two colors. I'm using the color 1B and then color 30. And right now I'm just parting the hair to clean up my part after applying the shiner jam. That gives it a cleaner part. And then I'm just gonna do the same for the back. You want to make sure your part is as clean as possible. And I'm just gonna tuck it away so it's not in the way when I'm braiding. And on the other side, I'm just gonna part the front part. Like I said, I'm doing like the jumbo to large size. So I'm just gonna part the size according to my desired size. Needs braids comes with your parting, so you have to make sure you make your part as neat as possible. And if you're interested in the gel that I use, I'm gonna put the link down below in the description box. Down below, you can order online at www.beautyon.com, and then you can see I'm applying it on each side of my hair and also in the middle. That way it's as slicky as possible. And this reduced, like I said, I didn't have to use heat. So in order to have that slicky look without heat on my falsie hair, I need to make sure I'm applying enough hair jam. And this hair jam, the good thing about it is that it's not flaky, it does not itch, and it does not irritate your hair like some other gel does. So right now I'm braiding. Right now I'm just taking the hair and I'm sliding it under my braids, the roots of my braid, and I'm braiding it all the way down. And as you're braiding, you want to make sure you're tucking in your natural hair. That way it's not sticking out of the braid. If you need more hair to hide it, you can add more hair in the middle. That way it's not looking funny, and it also makes it last longer. So I'm just braiding it all the way to the ends of the braids. And this is what it looks like. You can see how neat now straightforward is. This is really easy to do. This is what I do if I don't have a lot of time to sit down and do my hair. And this lasts me about 6 weeks for this size that I'm doing. As long as you have your hair moisturized, it's not dry, it's not itchy, your braids will last long. That's what I tell people, to make sure to moisturize your hair. If your hair is not lasting long, I mean your braids is not, it's probably because it's dry, or you have dry, flaky scalp, and you want to make sure you have your hair freshly washed before you braid your hair. If your hair is not washed, if it's dirty, of course your braid is not gonna last long. So you want to make sure you have your hair washed before getting your braids down. So right now I'm just braiding the back. You want to do the same thing. Then for the front, applying the jam. And I'm just gonna comb it through into the hair. That's what gives it the slicky looks. It helps your natural hair to be slicky. I'm just parting the hair. look is usually the hardest if you're doing your own hair, so you know what I'm talking about. As you cannot see what's going on in the back, but you just want to try and make sure it's as neat as possible. And I had my daughter record, so in case you see the camera shaking, it's her. So just adding hair right now, braiding it all the way to the bottom, and I only have about one left. This style only took me about 3 hours to complete because I did it to like waist length, and this is what we have here so far. And I'm just gonna finish the hands of the hair and just pretty much have only one left, and I'm gonna dip it in hot water and also apply some mousse to reduce some frizziness, some layaways. It also makes your work looks neater, and also some Godspeed spray to reduce frizziness as well. And that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Stay tuned for the finished look. Guys, I'm just braiding the rest of the braids all the way down, and then that's pretty much it for this tutorial. And here is the finished look. I actually forgot to record the finished look. This is like a month after, guys. This is a month after, and this is what it looks like when I put it up. It's so pretty, so easy to maintain. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.